Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. You know, sometimes things happen just at the wrong time. And, you know, this is Saturday evening around, I think around 2 o'clock. And we're making a emergency run to San Carlos. You want to know why? It's not a health issue. Grace is fine. I'm fine. Virgil's okay. Cookie's okay. It's our little van. It's got a problem. No, it's not serious. It could be. It's just bad timing. I got almost home from doing dropping a package off for a return. Lazada was in our driveway, and there was a piece of wood sticking out, and I got the sidewall down on my left front tire. I got the temporary on right now. It's it'll be okay till we get to San Carlos. I can't run it for a long time because it will stress the transaction out. But anyway, we hadn't planned on changing these tires till probably around February. Because the tread life was still within the safety zone. It's been 2 years right at it. With no issue, no flats. First time we had tires with absolutely no flats.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that we can get the same brand, the same tire back, because these have been extremely good. They've got about I would estimate somewhere close to between 40 to 50,000 kilometers. I don't remember exactly the kilometers I have when I put these on. I didn't write it down, but we're average 20-25,000 a year, so that's about mileage probably around 30,000 miles on a 13-inch tire. But the only issue is just we've had so much going on for this particular month. It's a little strain on the budget. I'm sure everybody out there knows exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah, because we not expect that this month will be another expenses.
Yeah. We got a trip coming up to Domageddon and we have to have decent tires.
Yeah, we need to go to the immigration maybe this month or maybe first week of next month.
Yeah.
So we don't know what happens. So
yeah. I mean, it cut that tire so easily.
we just shocked because we're almost home.
Yeah, within 50 feet.
50 feet.
We was right at our water tank. But that's life, too. We won't have things happen no matter what.
That's part of life.
Yeah. You can't let it get you down. Take it one day at a time.
So we just take our time because we have this small tire in our van.
Yeah.
We're just not expecting it happens today.
Well, either. I mean, it's just, you know, I seen the piece of wood, but I didn't think I was that close.
Yeah, there's a nails on that wood too. It cut on the side.
Yeah.
Big cut.
Yeah, big gash, about 4 inches long.
4 inches long. instead of cooking my husband's a vegetable
Yeah.
and been planning what we gonna eat
Yeah.
dinner. Now we're on the way to San Carlos now to get the tire, and we need to buy 4 pieces of tire
Yeah, you have to put a match set on this vehicle because it's all-wheel drive.
because it's all-wheel drive.
If it been two-wheel drive, I could have got by with 2 tires. But all-wheel drive's got advantages and disadvantages. One of the disadvantages is you got to keep the tires even. Seems like there's quite a bit of traffic today.
Yeah, because it's Saturday. Lots of traffic. So we're having brownout this morning, guys.
Yeah, no internet.
No internet because the other internet that we got, the smart, is no signal. And even here, no signal. The tower must be the repair something there. The tower.
Oh Lord, the tower that we normally get our signal from at home, it's been down for like 4 or 5 days, and I had a little bit there when the power come back on for about an hour. It was up, and it went back down again.
Yeah, in and out.
Yeah. So I wish we could get a tower closer to home.
Yeah, it would be nice if we have tower closer to our place. Because no need to use the other internet, just one, right?
Right, I can eliminate the
It's a
fiber.
sugarcane tractor, guys.
Because I got my motor to 5G and it would be faster than fiber. If I could hit a 5G tower.
I forgot to bring Virtue's phone. And another problem that we got also, guys, is Virtue's phone
Yeah.
worn out.
You know, they got a blank screen and
Yeah.
you can tell it's on. You can feel it vibrate or something.
So we need to repair it. We need to go to the repair shop and see what happens if they can repair it and how much it costs for the repair.
Yeah.
Because mostly here in the Philippines, when you do a phone repair, especially when it's in the screen, it's really expensive.
You know, it might not be the screen. I got a feeling it's something different.
Maybe.
Now, it's different what mine.
I was planning to bring it, baby, but I just thinking that maybe there's no time.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
maybe
probably
next
not.
time. Maybe next time.
Yeah.
Because it's late afternoon now, and maybe it takes maybe a couple of hours to check.
That's busy if we're busy or not. If we're not busy, it won't take me about an hour.
It's okay.
Yeah. So, stuck in.
So next time, gonna bring it, okay?
Yeah.
I'm glad that we bought him a tablet. The tablet.
Yeah.
Because,
That tablet be a problem.
He really needs to use it for school, like assignment. Hopefully the tire store, hopefully they're open today because it's Saturday.
It should be.
But tomorrow I think they are closed because Sunday,
Yeah.
tomorrow
It'd
Sunday.
be hard to do tomorrow.
Yeah, most of the store here in San Carlos, they are closed on Sunday.
I thought they opened us the mall, groceries,
Yeah, the malls are
Yes.
open.
gasolina.
But the one, like a store appliance, motorcycle store,
Yeah.
they are closed, guys. Lots of cow on that side there.
Yeah.
Lots of cows. There's a bus in front of us. Public bus. Call it Series.
They don't drive as fast as they used to.
Yeah. Before, when we ride on the bus,
Oh my God, they used to. They were scary.
like a
I mean,
roller coaster.
Yeah, they were really scary.
Yeah, when we went to Dumaguete, we ride a bus when we don't have a vehicle at that time.
Well, the Bacolod a couple times too.
We've been going to Bacolod a lot of times riding in the bus. But it was enjoyable, right, baby?
Yeah.
Because you can do sightseeing.
Yeah, that's the one advantage to it.
And the fare is not really expensive.
Yeah, I'm sure it's more now because the cost of fuel's gone.
Yeah, now it's more money than before because the fuel, gasoline, diesel,
Diesel's way up
it's
there.
expensive.
If we think about it tomorrow, let's try to clean these windows.
Yeah, done. I let Bashan help me.
Getting hard to see up.
I'm glad also, guys, that they have a store there in San Carlos that they sell good quality of tire
Yeah, it's fair price too.
and fair priced. For 4 tires, like almost $200, right?
Yeah.
For 4 tires. $200 for 4 piece of tires.
About $50 a piece.
$50 for what?
Yeah.
For 1 piece.
That's another reason we chose this van because the size tires. We know we'd have to replace
Yeah, we cannot afford the expensive tire. The one, the big SUV car.
I can handle 60,000 pesos.
60,000.
Or more. I think my friend Mike, I think his one will be around 80,000. $1,500.
$1,500. Expensive. So that's why we prefer this kind of van because of the maintenance. Also, it's
Hard to cheap.
yeah,
And
much
find you a
cheaper
good-
compared to the other vehicles.
Find you a good mechanic.
long as we have a rights.
Yeah.
That's the important. Especially where we live. It's really hard for you now to ride in the habal-habal or motorcycle.
Yeah. Well, I had to quit riding a motorcycle a few years back. I really miss that, guys.
Yeah.
Grace and I used to take road trips on a motorcycle. It
Yeah.
was just so enjoyable.
It's so enjoyable. We're riding, we're going to the mountains in Canlaon and
Yeah.
circle around.
Yeah, you can find strange things.
Yeah.
You can take your time to see more.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
We have a lot of
Good
wonderful times and a lot of wonderful memories on the riding in the motorcycle.
Only thing is, I wish I'd done my YouTube then.
Yeah,
We done,
because we have a lot of adventure before
yeah.
when we have a motorcycle. Oops! Oh, what happened to that motorcycle there?
Yeah.
You not
Oh.
even look. There. Sure. What happened to them, baby?
Oh,
Oh, this store here, the Triumph Home Depot,
yeah.
they're already open, guys, and
We might
looks
get
like they
lucky.
have a lot of stuff on there that that we can
Template at home.
yeah.
I don't go up there and turn the shell, but I don't trust turning here.
You need to go to the other side, not here, because it's not safe.
Okay, yeah. I don't feel safe turning here.
We're not been checking it out, that store there, the Triumph Home Depot. We're not been there,
Not yet.
yeah, because every time we
We're not had time.
went here to San Carlos, we don't have enough time to go there. Because last time we went here, we have a Cookie with us because she do her vaccination again and deworming.
Yeah.
So we don't want take her long, because I know that she's not been feeling good of that vaccine. So maybe next time we're gonna check it out and we're gonna do some video there inside. How it looks inside.
Quite nice.
My friend told me that they went there and they have some solar panel, and they also have some batteries on there, and also some inverter. And she told me about the price, and it's quite reasonable. It's almost the same what we paid for,
Yeah.
because they are planning also to have a solar on their house. But we're gonna check it out.
The battery's interesting because
Yeah.
I want to upgrade my storage. Don't mind, help me spot this place because I'll pass.
Yeah, because it's not far from here.
No,
That
it's not. I'll
store,
pass it up.
the tire store. Is this it?
No.
No. Maybe the second one.
Yeah, there's closed. We closed all the time.
We went there last time, or we went there one time, right?
Yeah. I don't
Maybe this one.
I don't remember if we had if we bought tires or because I don't think they had a full set at that time.
Oh my.
Here it is.
Well, yeah. So this tire store here, this is where we normally bought our tire, and they really have a good quality of tire, and also they're very helpful. I'm gonna hold the camera, baby.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold it.
There we are. Oh, here we're trying to get out. Just oh. Okay, guys. We see what they got. It's still on.
Still on. I'm gonna check how much it costs for the tire.
Branded.
Ha?
Branded.
Pila ang branded?
16565.
They asked me if how much the branded one. We sell some water here, bottled water. Pila dahi? Ay ma'am,
Changed. They've upgraded since last
you
time.
can sit down. Yeah, they changed the store and I think they extended. They also sell some parts on there.
The counter before on that side.
Yeah, I think they extend their.
They got the same
Yes.
tire?
Yeah, that's what he said. Then he asked me if you want some branded tire.
I want the same thing we got, but they didn't do it.
Pare-pareha ato ba nara mo?
Piston made in Thailand.
Pare-pareha ra ato.
16565.
He said,
Same size, ma'am. Kaya net mag-China ka, na alam mo yung tag 1.5.
if you want the branded one made in Thailand, no?
Yes, ma'am.
It's 2.5, 2,000,
2.4, ma'am.
2,400, 2,400.
Made where?
2,000 made in Thailand
With labor already, sir.
with labor already. 2,400. If you want the made in China, it's 1,500. What you want? Kana lang gurong.
Is that the same brand we got on? I mean,
Same size, sir, but different.
I know
It's the
size.
same size but it's different brand. Wala na mo yun ato di ay nga brand. Inot man to siya ganahan siya ato kay ni last long siya ba?
Pareha naman na. Linglong
Actually, this
Thailand.
one
Yeah, those got almost 50,000.
performance.
He said this tire here, the one they got right now, it's the same. It's the same.
Okay.
In Thailand,
It's made in Thailand also.
Yeah, we do that.
We do that. Kana lang ma'am.
ito na lang. Maliwapat ka po. Ay, pila ka po,
When you see
Upat.
cookie,
Oh, they have a Chitsu. Same with Cookie, huh?
yeah.
They have Chitsu dog there too, Papi.
Yeah, we're talking about you.
Look at this guy. Pila, ma'am? 9.5. You go up there. I'm gonna pay that.
Okay.
Just go up the.
Go where?
I'm gonna pay. Hey, work with that.
Okay.
Pat!
Yeah, the
Sir,
one in the rear.
Well, the ring.
No.
This one.
Yeah.
Tire.
Inside.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
Big hole side. Side.
Bullseye. Mantap. Ada lagi kiri. Oh, kiri dah. Kiri dah tadi. Berapa?
It's still going.
They're gonna pull out the old tire. This is the reserve. This is the what you call that today?
That's the spare.
The spare one. Yeah, but lots of tire in here. So the lady told me, guys, the one we got now is much better quality also than before, but it's the same, made in Thailand, but they're out of stock on that kind of brand that we bought last time. There's 3 people working on the tire, putting the.
I think that their upgrades, I was hoping they'd have a brake leg.
Oh, you need to sit down there. Here, you want to sit down here? Over here? Sit down here. You have some big tire in here for the big truck. just wait me here. I'm gonna go to
Okay.
get your foods. Take out only. So this is our favorite store here. When you buy a tire, this is where we normally bought our tire. They extended their they accept some card. I not know that they accept some card. They accept a card. Yeah, look. BPI, BDO. I will ask. Mo accept pa tayo mag bank card ta, ma'am? Mo accept pa tayo mag bank card. 5%. Oh. They add 5%. 5%.
So 5% would be.
This is nice, baby. Oh. What you call this one? The one you like, ba?
Massage chair.
A massager. They have a massager chair here. They have some coffee. You want some coffee? Coffee. You want some coffee? They also sell some coffee in here.
Ask them if they got plans for
Look at this tire here. This is the one we new tire that we bought, guys. It's a nice one, huh? Here, look at this one.
Sa Thailand made.
A nice one.
Yeah.
Huh? I like it. I like this one. Looks like better quality.
That's nice.
Yeah. That
That'd
one.
that'd be fine.
Yeah.
Ask them if they got a brake lay or plan on getting one.
What?
Brake lay?
Brake lay? Na ba daw may brake lay diri dam? Naa? They have.
That?
Yeah.
Can they do drums?
Makakuan mo drums. Drums.
Ano galing mo sila?
Kuan kanang Suzuki. Oh, minivan. They gonna check if there's an available here.
Yeah.
Brake pads or brake shoes?
I don't need brake shoes or anything. I need my drums turned.
Yan. Oh.
Yeah.
Our chopper is available stock.
Because I can't adjust my parking brake because it's got a groove in it. And when you put the drum on the self-adjusters, it's got so much space it won't adjust.
If you want to be do a brake pads,
See, the pads are new. I said my brake shoes are new.
your favorite
So last time we went here, they don't have some parts for the
It's a machine.
vehicles, and now they have a lots of parts. They've been selling lots of parts on here. So that's nice, guys.
I know you ain't got to I've been looking for 4 years. Nobody got drum.
We sell lots of some TikTok, some other stuff more. So it will be finished quick because lots of workers working on it. They do it manually here, guys, in the Philippines. They do it manual this time because it's brand out here in San Carlos, guys. They have a machine that they can do it because last time they use the machine, but now it's brand out. So they do it manually. What am I generator? They don't have a generator here. Another one over there too.
I know exactly what's wrong. You know, see, they're trying to put a proof in. So we finally got finished.
Yeah, and we're on the way home.
They had a brownout, so we had to do everything manually. Manual tools, breaking the cars down, exchanging them.
Almost 4 p.m. here.
Yeah.
We just grabbed some foods for my husband for his dinner, and I'm okay. I'm not hungry. We need to save. I can eat rice there and some fried fish in the house. Save some money because we have a big expenses for that tire.
It was almost 200. It was,
It's almost $200.
they're from Taiwan,
No, Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah, made
Hey,
in
thank you for the correction.
Thailand. It's a good tire.
Yeah, it should be good.
The girl said that it's better than the one we got last time. The quality is better than the one we got last time. But we will see how long it lasts long.
Yep.
We will see on this tire. Hopefully we have a good luck on this one too. Because the other one it's almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years on December, the last tire that we got.
Normally we only get a year.
Yeah, normally we only got 1 year. You want some Coke?
I'm having Coke Zero, folks.
Husband got some Coke Zero. And we got some burger there at the McDonald's.
Yeah, I get the quarter pounder.
Quarter pounder.
The meat is different than the Big Mac.
Yeah.
Much more flavor, more meat. I don't know what kind of meat. It could be anything. But at least it's edible.
Yeah.
And they don't put that old burger sauce on it. I can get it with mushroom. And dill pickles. That's a rare commodity.
My husband loved the burger now at McDonald's, especially the quarter pounder, because it's different taste than before, right?
Yep. A whole lot of difference.
Yeah, a whole lot of
What's wrong with these
it.
people? Look at this.
Oops, you step on that stick again. I'm scared of getting flat again. Hopefully we don't have we have no flats on this tire, this new tire also baby.
They're nice and smooth, I tell you that right now.
Yeah, it's nice and smooth. So it takes a long time because they do it manually. Because it's brand out, they cannot use the machine. But some of the store here in the tire, most of them they do manually, right? They don't have a machine to do it.
Yeah, that's over there. That's what we've been buying at. They've expanded.
Yeah, that store is expanded a lot.
Yeah.
They have a lot of parts there.
We got an alignment machine. I don't know if they know how to run it or
Alignment.
not.
Yeah. So guys, I think that's all for today's video.
Yeah, thank you guys so
Thank you
much
so
for watching.
much for watching, for the love and support.
And don't forget, when you're out and about, keep a good smile going.
Yeah, keep a good smile and stay positive.
Yeah. So live long and prosper.
Yeah, live long and prosperous. See you on our next video.